So hi friends, welcome to the channel, and quiz link for this topic English comprehension is given in the description box. If you haven't solved it, please attempt it first and then come back to this video, because if you get full marks in that quiz, no need to come back to this video. So in this quiz, what I gave was comprehension question. In comprehension, you have to read a passage and answer the questions below it. The questions are based on the passage. So I want to tell you something, that whatever method you are using, I suggest you to use the method I am going to tell now in the next quiz. And if you find it good, you can continue it with it, because many of the people found it useful. I'll tell what to do. When you see the passage, no need to directly jump to the passage. First, read the questions, what they are related to. Now, if you read the questions, the brides mentioned in the passage are rebels against. When Roshni was 12 years, she succeeded. So now you have to focus on these words. The brides mentioned, the brides, you have to focus on brides. You have to focus 12 years. You have to focus on give up. Like in the para, you have to find the word give up, and then you can understand its meaning after that. You have to find word annulled somewhere in the passage and then try to find out its meaning. And then this, Roshni moved. So you have to find moved out in the passage. After reading all the questions, roughly you have to go back to the passage and read it. Now I am not reading this in the video. I'm going to tell you something now. What it is, you have to read the passage on your own. The link is given in the description for the quiz. You attempt it, read it properly, use the method I told you. Go to the questions, read it roughly, then go to the passage. And in this passage, there are two difficult kind of words you might have not came across. So that is quagmire. Your task is to find meaning of quagmire. Yes. So in short, this is a story of Roshni, who ran out of a village because her grandparents were getting her married when she was 12. And then she came to an NGO and she's telling her story that when she passed 12th standard, again her relatives were forcing her to get married, but she went to the college, attended college. The villagers removed her out of the village, and whenever there was child marriage happening, the small children in village would come call her and she would go to stop the marriage. After that, there is next, she's telling about someone else. Another lady got her marriage annulled. Now annulled is something, from the context you can understand, annulled is cancelled. To tell something is invalid legally, it means that. So she got her marriage annulled because they got married when they were 12, so it was illegal and the marriage was declared invalid. So this is about the second lady. And the third lady was 15 and she was married to a man who was a little bit older, who was like a few years older basically. And then she started attending the meetings with NGO Shiv Shiksha Samiti, and she got to know that it was her life and she had power to say no to marriage. That's it. This was all in the passage. I told you in short. Now we'll go to the questions. The brides mentioned in the passage are rebels against. So they are rebels against not the dowry system, not the purdah system, not even arranged marriages. They are against the child marriage. Yes, child marriage. Next is, when Roshni was 12 years old, she succeeded in her mission with help of. Now this is a bit of tricky question because many people were telling me that the answer should be children and NGO, whatever. But in the answer given here is third. And why third is given? So it was a question with a twist. 20 children, that is right. Village elders, that is right. Teachers, that is right. Why her grandparents? Because her grandparents decided to do her marriage, but when they were stopped, they didn't force it. Otherwise, she wouldn't have succeeded. So she succeeded because her grandparents stopped the marriage. Right? That's why third is the answer. Many people got this wrong because of they thought like her parents were getting her married. That's why. But it's not the case. And this was a trick question given. Third is give up. Now most of the people know what give up is. Give up means to stop doing something. Now here many of the people also might stop attending classes, but it's not only about classes, it's about anything. Give up exercise, give up sports, give up studying, give up everything. Like anything can be given up. Annulled in the fifth para means. Annulled means to state officially that something is not legally valid. So if you guys have seen Friends sometime, the Ross and Rachel get their annulment. Right, that annulment is this, to annul their marriage. To state officially that the marriage is not invalid. Something similar is done in this para. So annul means not, annulment means or annulled means not help somebody impeding doom social works. It means to state officially that something is not legally valid. Roshni moved out of the village in order to. So she moved out of the village to not to escape the villagers. Her main motto was to attend the college because she wanted to do it. Okay, so these are the answers for the quiz 2 for day 2. If you haven't solved it, I tell you again to solve it, and you can write meaning of word annulled and give up in your book. Please, I'm telling you guys in every video almost that please maintain a book for English and logical reasoning. So when your exams approach, you have something to study from properly. Just turn the pages, you can see that this I've done, this I've done. Maximum part will be covered in the quizzes and videos. So please make a notebook for it, because in the end you won't have time to watch these 5-7 minutes videos entirely. You guys would be very busy in your other preparation, English, maths, PCM stuff. So you won't have time to watch these videos completely. So try to maintain a book now. So your task for today's video, I told you to find meaning of quagmire. Please tell me in the comment box what quagmire means. So I'll end this video for now. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.